Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, you're welcome. So your girl is back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to construct a U-part wig. So a U-part wig is a wig that is constructed in a U shape. Okay, you do not need a closure, you do not need a frontal. So this type of wig is a wig that allows you to leave your natural hair out when you're wearing it. Okay, so it gives you that kind of traditional sewing effect, but it's a wig. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into this video. But before we jump into this video, I want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your love. Like, this love is overwhelming, guys. Thank you. And once I hit 1000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a one-on-one giveaway, one-on-one class giveaway. Okay, you can get to come learn how to sew frontal units with me. Okay, installing and all that good stuff. So guys, make sure you stick around, make sure you turn on your post notification bell on. And if you're not in Canada and you want to have a virtual learning as well on FaceTime, yes, that can be done as well for free. Like, I'm going to be choosing winners once I hit 1000 subscribers. So the winners are going to be those people that have been commenting on my videos, watching my videos, liking my videos. So make sure you do all that. You could be the winner. Okay, so yeah. All right, guys, so I already went ahead to braid down her natural hair. So before you make any wig, you want to make sure your hair is as flat as possible, just how you will wear your wig. So that's how your hair should be when you're going to take your head measurement. So our head measurement was 21 inches. So I'm going to put down the cap. So that cap definitely is definitely going to be bigger than her. So I'm going to go ahead to take that measurement, and you see that part right there, that's where the U part is going to be. That's where we're going to be cutting out to leave her, for her to be able to put on her natural hair. Okay, so I'm measuring 2 inches out from her head size. Okay, so I'm going to put 1 inch on one side and another inch on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to take the measurement of front to nape. So now it's not going to be front to nape. I'm going to take it from where she's going to leave her natural hair, like where the natural hair is going to be starting from. So that's where I'm going to take the measurement down to the nape of her neck. Okay, and that's what I'm showing you guys right there. By the way, guys, please excuse my my hands. Okay, like I just finished painting one furniture. I was doing some DIY, so I got some paint on my hands. Okay, so yeah, you see, I took the measurement of where the leave out start from. Okay, down to the nape of her neck. So as you guys can see, the cap is bigger than her, so I'm going to go ahead to adjust the cap. Okay, so right there, I'm going to pin it down, so I'll be able to adjust the cap to our perfect size. Okay, so I'm taking my needle and thread to sew down the excess room I have on the cap. By the way, guys, this wig is going to be constructed on a sewing machine. So if you're going to use your needle and thread, it's just the same thing. You know, you're just gonna, if you haven't watched my how to sew with needle and thread video, I'm going to link it in the description bar below. You can go see how to do that, so you follow that guide to make this wig on with needle and thread. Okay, but this one I'm going to be making it with a sewing machine. So right there, I'm drawing my guidelines. She doesn't want to fit in so many bundles. She doesn't like when the extension is too much. So yeah, Some of them I'm going to double, and some of the tracks I'm just going to single. I think we used about 2 bundles and a very small amount from the third one. So what you see me doing right there is doubling my weft, okay? And I use zigzag method to do that. So to double your tracks, if you're going to be sewing with sewing machine, if you're going to be making it with sewing machine, so you just make sure your tracks are parallel, okay? Then you start sewing. You make sure you back stitch at least twice, okay? Twice, just secure the tracks, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead to start sewing, and I will just let you guys watch it. Then I'll be back once I'm going to start installing it and yeah, putting comb and all of that. Actually, she didn't want any comb, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it because she wants to sew it down on her head. You can also wear it without sewing it down by adding clips, okay, for those who want to take it out and put it back in, but she wants to have it sewn down. So yeah, so I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, there you go. We have our U-part wig ready. Okay, and I was just asking her if she wants comb and clips, and she said no, she doesn't want, because she wants to sew it down. Okay, I told you guys that before. Guys, that's how I talk. I can repeat words, like, trust me. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to cut out the net right there. So our U-part is complete, you know. So you want to be very careful. You cut the net as close as possible to the last track. Okay, and there you go. Boom, just like that, we're done. So if you're going to be adding comb, if you're that type who wants to just clip it in by yourself, you know, you're just going to use that this type of clip, comb, whatever you call it in your city. You know, yeah, and you can get this from your local beauty supply. You know, you can get it on Amazon. And yes, so you're going to have that type of clip right there where I showed you guys, and regular comb at the back. But because my client is not going to be having that, so yes, I was just showing you guys where you need to apply that. Okay, so I will just let you guys watch how I installed it on her hair, like how I sew it down. Okay, And yes, that's it. So my client couldn't wait for me to style it on that day. She had to go home. So yes, she came back another time where I had to style and do all that stuff, all that good stuff. So I hope you like this video. If you do, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment if you have any question. And what do you guys think about your PARTWIG? Is it something you will try? Is it something you like? Please let me know in the comment down below, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one. And please don't forget to check out my other videos, okay? And follow me on IG at Madam Titi Collections and at Slade by Henty as well. Bye guys. See you, my love.